The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a statewide child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Henderson County Sheriff's Office is searching for missing child Maya James, 11 years old, white, female, last seen wearing a long-sleeved teal hoodie with the word Venom in glitter and black shorts. The missing child was last seen at 8:25 p.m. on November 14, 2024 at the 6200 block of County Road 3925, Athens, Texas 75752. Law enforcement officials believe the child to be in grave or immediate danger. Anyone with information regarding this child abduction should contact the Henderson County Sheriff's Office at 903-677-6311. News media point of contact is Henderson County Sheriff's Office at 903-675-5128.